Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and log out of the Zara application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Zara application. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and log out of Zara application. So when you're here in the Zara application, the first thing in the bottom side is the home screen, which you will have as you can see. Then we will have the menu where you can check out everything that they have. Again, we have the search bar where you can search for things that they have. And in the bottom right corner, we have the account option. There we have purchases, favorites, my look, my details, store, location, notifications, etc. If you go to settings, what most people do, there you cannot see the logout button. As you can see, most people think it's here, but it is not here. When you go back and here, go to my details. So this is the fourth option. Click on my details. Here we have, as you can see, your name, address, and everything here. The payment methods, email, password. But to go and log out, you need to click on end session. So this is hidden, and you need to go and click on end session to log out of the account. You also have the delete account option if you want that, so just keep that in mind. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.